Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah DeVita here, and we're gonna dive right into this tutorial. I start off by applying my Beauty Bakery Cake Mix Foundation. I am in the shade 15. As you guys can see, I have already primed and color corrected my skin. So we're gonna do 2 layers of this foundation, and then I do the rest of my face and my brows off camera, and then we dive right into doing the eye makeup. So I am going in with the world's best eyeshadow primer. This is the P. Louise Shadow Base. It is amazing, you guys. I love this base. Ever since I've got my hands on it, it's the only thing I use for my eyeshadow, and it really does make your shadows pop. So if you can invest into this product, please do so, because you need it in your life. I use patting motions and apply this all over my lids until it is opaque and I am satisfied with the blend. So now I'm taking my brush and I'm dipping it into Jamila from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. It's this burnt orangey color. I'm using windshield wiper motions and putting that in my crease, mainly in my inner portion of my crease, and then fading it throughout the rest of my crease. For the second color of choice, I am taking this aqua green color from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to overlap that over the orange eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this indigo blue shade, again from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to pop that on the more outer part of my crease area and build up the intensity of that color until I am satisfied with how it is looking. So I ended up adding a little bit of black and then cutting my lids off camera. I have a lot of different cut crease tutorials where I show how I cut my crease, so please go ahead and check out the rest of my videos to see how I do that. I'm just applying a shimmery blue from Coastal Scents all over my lids. I did my liner off camera, and now it's time for the glitter. So I'm taking a light silverish blue glitter concoction that I made, and I'm going to use my Lit Cosmetics glitter adhesive and apply that to my inner corner. Then I go ahead and apply a darker blue, and then I transition it off into applying a aqua glitter concoction, and then I move on to my lips. For my lips, I am applying MAC's Chestnut Lip Pencil all around the outer rim, and then I'm going to apply Honey Love lipstick with Instant Gold Luster Glass on top. Luster glasses are discontinued, so try like a gold Dazzle Glass or even a different brand gold gloss, and then I top it off with clear lip gloss because your girl is extra. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun recording it. If you guys have any requests on looks you want me to create, please leave a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye loves.
Not right here, man. If I tell it tears, I'll be crying to my bed, man. Bitch, I'm tryna fuck. I've been inside for 13 years now. I've been on so many flights, it's like my record's clear now. AKA the man, AKA I never ran. Don't make me turn this red light on your head like you Roxanne.